Come test drive the 2011 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, rear step bumper. Inside you'll find transmission temperature gauge, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, power steering, one-touch windows, trip odometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.